Hey, welcome to the channel. So today I'm back here working on this 2022 Elevation. If you go back and watch the previous videos when we picked it up, and we did a little bit of work to it already, but this one was previously stolen and it had a little bit of front end damage. So didn't actually have to replace the rad support or anything. This was all good enough that we could just had to straighten it out a little bit right here. So I'm gonna paint this part when I paint the fender and the door here. So I'm gonna have to, this door's okay, but it's got a couple dents in it right here and right here, I believe. So, and I also have to blend the paint because obviously it's not gonna probably match up perfectly. So this is good, so I can just blend this little bit of area from this fender in this little area right here, and then just clear coat the rest, and it should match up to this door perfectly then, because I won't really have to paint anywhere past here. So, but anyways, I'm gonna get all these parts. I got most of the parts in here. The headlights showed up, so I did get the headlights. These are all the headlights, and this is the I'm not sure what that is. The fog lights, all the brackets, the front face bar. This is the fender, the hood. So I'm gonna drag all the stuff I need to paint first over to the paint booth, and we'll do that first, or that stuff first, and then I can install the fender and the hood onto the truck. And the new Catkins leather interior showed up, so we're gonna install that in the next, probably not this video, but the next video. And also I did get new door panels to be seen. The ones that were in this truck, they took a knife to them and they're all cut up. And the new grill too, because this grill was actually on back order with no ETA, but check that out. Pretty nice looking grill. So, but so luckily we got all the parts, and I can start getting this thing together. Alrighty, so now I'm just in the paint booth here, and I got just the fender, the hood, and the front face bar are all prepped and ready. So I hit it all with 320 and scuffed it down. So this stuff's ready to go. I'm just gonna hit it with final wipe now. I need to do the front upper bumper cover, whatever you want to call that, too, but I'll show you here. I had a little crack in the front of it. I actually do have a new one. I ordered it by accident, but I was trying to fix this one, and I got it all glued up and everything, but then I just noticed when I was sanding it that it's got a little crack still. I don't know if you can see it on the camera here, but right there, maybe. Oh yeah, right there, you can see it. So I might just leave that for now and see if I can fix it a little better, or just use the new one maybe, not too sure yet. But I'm just gonna hit it all with final wipe, and we can spray the sealer down and the base coat, get this thing painted up. Alright, so I got all the sealer laid down here. I ended up re-gluing this front bumper cover here and fixing that little crack in it, and I sealed it up too while I was at it. So everything looks pretty good, and I'm ready down. It's been about an hour, so I'm ready to spray this base coat down now. So this is a GM Bazinga blue, so it's kind of a cool color. We'll crack it open here. Some crazy metallic in it, so it should cover really nice. This blue with a little bit of the silver flake in it is so nice to paint. So this is just one base coat, and I let it dry for about an hour now, and I'm just gonna hit it with this 800 to 1000 foam back. So as you can see here, like a little nib in it. So see if you go over the whole thing, and you can also fix your little any little spots to kind of get rid of that. And then we'll still do 2 to 3 coats over top of this. But just want to go over everything, make sure it's nice and clean. There's no nibs in it, just like you see right here. You can see one. And just get it nice and flat. And do the other 2 or 3 coats. Alright, so this is one more coat over top of where I sanded it down. And probably just have to do one more on top here, but I'm going to let it just flash off. You can see it's kind of glossy now, so once it gets dull, right, it'll be ready for another coat there. So give it about 10 minutes. Alrighty, so I got 3 coats and a float coat laid down in here, and it looks pretty good. And just waiting for it to flash off. You can see a little bit of where it's glossy there. It's not quite ready, so as soon as that flashes off, you should be able to clear coat it. But everything turned out pretty good. It's definitely worth it to do that little bit of de-nib it after the first coat there. It really makes a difference, especially when you're in a homemade paint booth, right? So just give it another 10 minutes or 5 minutes probably, not even, and be ready for some clear coat. I already got 3 coats of clear laid down here now, and it's looking pretty good. And so I'm just gonna, this needs to let it dry for a day or 2, and then I can start putting this thing together. So I still have to paint the passenger front door on that thing, and then also blend the paint into it. So I'll do that next, and a little bit onto the rat support. But after that, the rest of the truck will pretty much go together. Still got to change the leather out, obviously, for the where the seats are all ripped up there. But anyways, that's going to be a wrap for this video, and tune in for the next one. We'll start installing some of these pieces, do that blend, and get this thing wrapped up. But thanks for watching, and tune in for the next one. Peace.